Today we are making one of my all-time favorite desserts. These are oatmeal cream pies. They're absolutely delicious and so easy to make. My name is Aliana and welcome to my kitchen. To start making our cookies, I have half a cup of butter and it's softened to room temperature. And to that, I'm going to add in a 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, as well as a 3/4 cup of brown sugar. And now I'm going to beat this for about 5 minutes until it's really creamed together and light and fluffy. Now that it's fully creamed together, we can add in 1 tablespoon of molasses. This stuff is super sticky. As well as 1 whole egg. And 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. I love vanilla. I find it adds such a great flavor to cookies. Now we can beat this together for about 1 minute until everything is completely combined. Next we can add in our spices. I have a 3/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, as well as a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda. And now I can give this a quick mix. Now I have 1 1/4 cups of just all-purpose flour, and I like to add about half of my flour in, mix it, and then add the remaining flour. Our flour is completely combined in, and we can add in a 2/3 cup of our oatmeal, and then on a very low speed combine it because you don't want to break your oatmeal. I had to get my pan, and it is greased. You can use oil or butter, but I'm a big butter person. Also, if you are new to my channel, welcome, and if you're returning, it's good to see you guys. So now let's bake our cookies. I like to do about 1.5 tablespoons of my cookie batter. You do want to make sure that they're all about the same size because we are making them into cream pies. Now I have rolled out all of my cookies and we can pop them in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and I like to bake them for about 10 to 13 minutes. Also, this recipe makes about 14 cookies or 7 cream pies. Let's pop them in. Now that our cookies are out of the oven and cooling, we can start making our frosting. So in our bowl, I have 6 tablespoons of softened butter along with 4 ounces of cream cheese. Both of these are softened to room temperature. And now we can beat this together for about 1 minute until everything's creamy and combined. Now we can add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and just give it a quick mix. And here I have 1 cup of powdered sugar, and we can add this in. And now I recommend starting on a low speed because if you don't, all that powdered sugar will go up on you. So now I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of heavy cream. You don't want to add too much liquid to your frosting because we are making cream pies, and when you take a bite and the frosting is too soft, it'll all go out the sides. So we do want a fairly firm frosting. Now here I have my cooled cookies, and I love this recipe because it's so easy to make. I just put a dollop of my frosting in the center of my cookie. And then when I put my other cookie on top, I press it so that frosting makes its way to the edges. I feel like the birds and the dogs are going crazy right now. So here are our finished oatmeal cream pies. They look absolutely delicious, but now it's time for the taste test. Wow. There's a lot of chewing involved. Oh my goodness. These are absolutely delicious. The cookies are just a little bit crisp, and that frosting is so creamy and light. I hope you guys try these cookies and love them as much as I do. Also, if you want to see some more of my cookie recipes, there should be a playlist right here or over here. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye for now.